Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss something which is related to how we differentiate between real and fake journal. When you start finding a research journal for your research publication or conference, are you finding an article which is important for the contribution in your academic project? You must be familiar that how much authenticity the source possesses in academic circle. Are you going through the right channel? Is the article or journal can we trust? So here will be answers of all your questions regarding academic research. So kindly stick to my video till end. So friends, for the most successful publication of our research, the most important thing is we need to identify that what are those two groups and two major publication systems. Among all, the most important one is Web of Science group, because Web of Science group is considered as the most perfect and world leading group. And the second one is Scopus. This is also called as Elsevier Scopus. So both of Web Science group and Scopus are major two groups which provide the ranking indexes and academic journals. So let us explain one by one. So friends, Web of Science group is an online subscription based scientific citation indexing service which is also called SCI. This was originally produced by Institute of Scientific Healthcare Information ISI. The ISI was acquired by Thomson Scientific Healthcare in 1994 and named as Thomson Reuters, which is later on called as Thomson ISI. However, everybody knows about Thomson Reuters because this is the famous one. But now, this is maintained by a service which is called as Clarivate Analytics. Okay, we are discussing our second group, the Scopus. Scopus is also very broad group, and this was launched in 2004 by one of the Dutch company, Information and Analytics. And this is also called as Elsevier. Now if we go to the more detail, that Scopus is a group which has very big and extensive database as compared to Web of Sciences. Most importantly, there are few important major sides of the Scopus over Web of Sciences, of being more broader and more extensive than Scopus or Thomson Reuters. Among of them, it consists of the partnership with 5,000 publishers and almost 22,000 serial titles and 150,000 registered books and 1.4 million citation references. Now from the above mentioned figures and partnerships, can you see the difference? Yes, it is clear that the Scopus has a much more extensive database and much more broader than Web of Sciences. Scopus journals or Elsevier journals, they are reviewed annually in order to measure the quality of journal. In order to check the quality of the journal, these are provided with a few services like the CiteScore, SJR, also called as She-Mago Journal Rank, and SNP, Source Normalized per Impact per Paper. So later on in my video, we gonna verify one of a random journal through these services and also for the Web of Science. So now we verify one of the journal randomly. First of all, we going to search journal list from a browser. For this purpose, we will go to our Google browser and we have to take some random sample. As I belong to pharmaceutical field, and I will just write down the list of pharmaceutical journals in Pakistan. So here we found that first of all, Pharmaceutical Journal of Pakistan. Let's take this journal. We're gonna copy this journal, and first of all we have to verify from Web of Sciences. Now we have selected one random journal from Google. First of all we will go to our Google browser in order to check the authenticity from Web of Sciences. In the Google search engine we will write MLJ, which stands for Master Journalist, or you can also write down the Web of Sciences or Clarivate, whatever you want. All these are same thing. Now we just open this link. We already know that. Now we will just type down or just paste what we have copied previously from Google search engine. You can also write down ISSN number of a journal. Now we can observe from the result that Pakistan Journal of Pharmaceutical Sciences is enlisted in Web of Sciences or the Clarivate, and here you can check all the detail of the journal. Here the SSN number, the title, etc., whatever you want to check. You can also view the further detail of this journal, but for this purpose you have to sign in. You have to make a free ID on this web portal. I have already created the okay. Now I have signed in, and you can see further more detail about this journal. You can check about the country name, the mode of publication, and the categories of the journal, and all the statistics about the citations statistic or the other parameters as well. Alright, now you can see that we have verified one of our randomly selected journal. So it's mean that this journal is verified from the Web of Sciences. It also means that it is verified from Thomson Reuters and Clarivate Analytics. We must not be confused for these terminologies as well, because all three names were already discussed in my previous slides. So let us verify the same journal as we have selected before from the other source, which is Scopus. As we know that Scopus can be verified from the provider services in order to check the quality of the journal, which includes the Scopus.com and Shimago Journal and SNP. Source normalized impact per paper. So here we starts with www.scopus.com. Okay, go to your browser, just type down the scopus.com. You can also log into your, if you have account, or you can make a new account. If you don't have, you can just go by looking for the general ranking and metrics. Just click here. Now here in the taskbar you can also write the ISSN number, or you can search by title. So in the previous I have done by the title. Now I will be just copy the ISSN number for the journal, Pakistan Journal of Pharmaceutical Sciences. I will go to the journal website, and then I will copy the ISSN number. So by this way we can either check by two process, by title or by ISSN number. Now just simply paste your ISSN number and click on find sources. We have found one result. Here you can see that Pakistan Journal of Pharmaceutical Sciences is enlisted. Just click here and you will find out all the detail of the journal which is enlisted here. Here you can find it's ongoing from 1995, University of Karachi, ISSN number, and you can check the site score, SJR and SNP. Now you can see that we have verified one of our selected journal from the Scopus.com, and now we can also verify this journal from the other quality services of Scopus, that is Shimago journals. So here we go in our browser and just write down www.shimagojr.com. Here we found that in the SJR search bar you can write the title name or just paste your SSN number as we previously copied. Just click on the search and we got a result of Pakistan Journal of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Just click on it. Now we already found that Pakistan Journal of Pharmaceutical Sciences is enlisted in SJR and H index is 38, which is quite high. And now you can go and check the further detail about this journal, about the statistic, the citations and the previous history of the journal as well. And you can go down to check the further analysis in order to check the impact factor of the journal, and you can also check the Q category of the journal. Here it falls in Q2 category. So once again we have verified successfully our journal from the other sources of Scopus, as we know that now we have verified our journal from both Scopus and Shimago. So in order to check the quality of the journal, such as reliability or authenticity of the journal, we have to go through all these sources which I have mentioned in my previous lectures. That these two groups, which are Web of Science group and Scopus, they provide the major sponsorship for the research. Thank you guys for your patience and watching all this stuff. Please do subscribe my channel for the latest educational videos.